guys, today we're going to be discovering what the rule of P is. Remember, I said last video, this is the most important probably video ever. Well, I'm going to discuss why. This is basically the intro to actual UMO calculus. So, to understand UMO calculus, let's say we have x, variable x. And then the rule of P is just like this, but with a slash in it. So we have x and then rule of P. And then that's the same thing as x, 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 repeating forever. But I'm going to show you an example. So let me clear this. So let's say we have 2p. Basically, that's the same thing as 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 forever and ever. But the rule is you do not want to add a decimal, because then that makes it not infinite anymore. I'm going to show you what the rule is. Remember, we cannot add a decimal, or else it's not infinite. We cannot add a decimal, or else this will be the same as 2.2 vinculum. A vinculum is just a bar to show something is repeating, but that's not what we want to do. Rule of P is to actually show something is infinite. For example, I'm going to choose a different color. Let's say we have 5p. So 5p is 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, and forever. It's basically like an infinite symbol. But something you don't want to do is 5p equals 5.55555. Because that is not true. Remember, you do not ever want to add a decimal. To make the number truly infinite, you have to just, repeat the digits. Okay, let me show you some rules. So we have the math rules. And basically what they are is the first one is math plus 1. That means you want to round it, like 5p. Wait, let me choose another number. 4p. You know how it equals 4, 4, 4, and forever? Well, if you want to round it up, it'll just be 4. So, this is math plus 1. So, let's get another example of math plus 2. Math plus 2 is when you want to make the number actually infinite, like we just did. Like 2p equals 2, 2, 2, and forever. Now that's the math. Now, guys, the math plus 3 rule is when you want a decimal in your infinite thing. So, this is our least favorite one, because remember, if you add a decimal, it doesn't make it infinite. So that's all the math rules. So let's do an example of adding rule of P. So, what is 5p plus 6p? Well, you're going to think it's just 11p. But you're actually wrong. Because if we write this out as 5, 5, 5, and forever, plus 6, 6, and forever, you have to actually carry the 1. So it actually becomes 12, 12, and forever. I hope this makes sense, guys. So actually, 5p plus 6p actually equals 12p. And guys, hope you understand. P is like rewriting the infinite symbol. Like, instead of having the infinite symbols, you could just write P. Alright, guys, so, like, if you want to draw a number line, instead of writing positive infinity and negative infinity, that's the same thing as writing positive p. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you really understand, because I kind of think I explained it confusing, but our next topic will be the absolute W sphere. And make sure you pay attention in that video, because this is so important. By the way guys, bye guys, see you